Hey there, this is Alex with FileDrop, and today I want to show you a quick feature we created. It's a URL customization feature that helps you make your PDF shared links and forms look better for you and your users and keep better track of the URLs you shared with clients, for example. Let's get started. So I have here a page, and this is the current URL. So we have the UUID that you regularly see on the FileDrop.me domain. And if you're on any of our pro plan or business plans, you can edit this with a simple click. And I'm gonna say here sample custom page. And all I have to do now is click save. Okay. And the URL is now changed, and it looks much better than the UID that we regularly had. If you already had the previous URL, it will automatically redirect, and all the users that you shared this with will see it with the new URL. So that's it for this demo. Thank you. Cheers. Bye.